Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the OMBAR T1 4K 3-channel dashcam. Click the link below for the best price. If you're looking for one of the most advanced and reliable dashcams on the market in 2025, the OMBAR T1 4K 3-channel dashcam might just be your next essential car upgrade. With cutting-edge imaging technology, triple camera coverage, HDR night vision, and all the smart features you'd expect from a premium dash cam, this is built to protect you day and night, from every angle. Let's start with the video quality, because that's where the OMBAR T1 truly shines. It features 3 high-resolution channels, giving you front-facing 4K, interior 1080p, and rear 1080p video simultaneously. That means you're fully covered with sharp, detailed footage from every angle, ideal for rideshare drivers, road trippers, or anyone who wants total driving security. At the heart of the image system are Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensors, delivering professional-grade image clarity and low-light performance. These sensors are known for their superior dynamic range and crystal-clear imaging even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether it's bright daylight or a dark highway at night, you'll capture everything in vivid detail. Speaking of nighttime performance, the full-color HDR night vision is a standout feature for 2025. It doesn't just give you grayscale infrared video, it records in full color at night, thanks to advanced HDR and the upgraded STARVIS sensors. This makes a huge difference in identifying license plates, street signs, and vehicles in low-light situations. And it gets even better, the package includes a free 128GB SD card, so you can start recording right out of the box. Plus, it supports up to 512GB, so you've got room for hours of ultra-high-resolution footage without constantly worrying about storage space. Connectivity is next level too. With 5G Wi-Fi, you get ultra-fast downloads to your phone using the companion app. Reviewing and saving clips is smooth and instant, no need to fumble with cables or remove the SD card. You can also access live views, change settings, and lock important footage from your phone with ease. For full-time protection, the OMBAR T1 includes 24-hour parking mode. When your vehicle is off, the dash cam remains on alert, ready to record any motion or impacts. This is perfect for monitoring your car in parking lots or outside your home, offering constant peace of mind. Loop recording, G-sensor technology, and emergency file locking are all built in. So in the event of a collision, the dash cam will automatically preserve the critical footage and prevent it from being overwritten. The design is sleek, low-profile, and discreet, blending in nicely with your vehicle's interior. The build quality feels solid and premium, and installation is straightforward with everything you need included in the box. Whether you're a commuter, rideshare driver, or road trip enthusiast, the OMBAR T1 dashcam offers a complete recording solution with unbeatable clarity, coverage, and smart features. From crystal-clear 4K footage to advanced night vision and full triple camera protection, this is the dashcam to beat in 2025. Click the link below for the best price on the OMBAR T1 4K dashcam. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell icon for more honest and in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.